Have you been feeling constantly tired, bloated, foggy, or sluggish no matter how much sleep you get? Your liver might be overloaded. Now, contrary to what social media influencers and supplement companies want you to believe, your liver does not need a magical detox tea, expensive powder, or a 3-day juice cleanse. Your liver already has a built-in detoxification system. The real question is, are you giving your body the nutrients it needs to support that system? Or are you quietly damaging it every single day through food choices? In this video, we'll be covering how your liver detox system actually works, why detox drinks usually fail, the nutrients your liver needs for regeneration, and 7 powerful natural foods that help support liver health naturally. Rest assured, some of the foods damaging your liver the most are probably sitting in your kitchen right now. So, let's get into it. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in the human body. Every minute of every day, it's filtering chemicals, alcohol, processed food compounds, medications, excess hormones, toxins, and metabolic waste from your bloodstream. But here's what most people don't understand. Your liver doesn't simply remove toxins. It converts harmful substances into compounds your body can safely eliminate through urine, sweat, stool, and bile. This happens through what scientists call phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification. Phase 1 breaks toxins down into intermediate compounds. Phase 2 then neutralizes those compounds so they can safely leave the body. However, here's the problem. If your body lacks nutrients, toxins can actually become more inflammatory during the detox process. That means poor diet, nutrient deficiencies, excessive sugar, alcohol, ultra-processed foods, and chronic inflammation can overload the liver faster than it can recover. Over time, this contributes to fatty liver disease, inflammation, sluggish digestion, hormone imbalances, poor energy, and metabolic dysfunction. Let's clear up one of the biggest myths online. A juice cleanse does not flush toxins out of your liver. Your liver is not a dirty sponge that needs rinsing out. In fact, many detox products can actually make things worse. Why? Because many juice cleansers are loaded with fructose, concentrated sugars, artificial ingredients, and almost no protein. Excessive fructose is one of the biggest drivers of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Your liver processes fructose directly. Too much of it can increase fat accumulation inside liver cells. That means someone drinking healthy detox juices every day could actually be stressing the liver more, and detox powders. Many of these are just overpriced mixtures of laxatives, stimulants, caffeine, or herbal blends with very little scientific evidence. Real liver support is not about starving yourself. It's about supplying the body with amino acids, antioxidants, minerals, healthy fats, fiber, and anti-inflammatory nutrients. Your liver heals through nourishment, not deprivation. Your liver constantly regenerates itself. In fact, it's one of the few organs in the body capable of remarkable self-repair. But regeneration requires raw materials. Your liver especially needs protein, choline, sulfur compounds, antioxidants, omega-3 fats, magnesium, and B vitamins. One nutrient many people are deficient in is choline. Choline helps the liver package and export fat. Without enough choline, fat can accumulate inside liver cells. This is one reason fatty liver is becoming increasingly common. Protein is also critical because the liver uses amino acids to produce glutathione. Glutathione is often called the body's master antioxidant. It plays a major role in detoxification, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting liver tissue from damage. Now let's get into the foods that naturally support these processes. Food number 1, eggs. Eggs are one of the best foods for liver health, especially the yolks. Egg yolks are rich in choline, B vitamins, selenium, and healthy fats. Remember, choline helps the liver move fat out of the liver. Low choline intake has been associated with fatty liver development. Eggs also provide high-quality protein that supports glutathione production and tissue repair. Despite outdated myths, healthy eggs are not the enemy. The real danger is excessive processed food consumption. Food number 2, cruciferous vegetables. Foods like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage contain sulfur compounds that help support liver detoxification pathways. These vegetables help activate enzymes involved in phase 2 detoxification. They also support glutathione production. In addition, they help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Broccoli sprouts are especially powerful because they contain sulforaphane, a compound linked to liver protection and improved detox enzyme activity. Food number 3, garlic. Garlic is loaded with sulfur-containing compounds that support detoxification. It also contains antioxidants that may help reduce oxidative stress in liver tissue. Garlic may also help support bile flow, immune function, and inflammation control. And bile matters more than people realize. Bile helps remove waste, toxins, excess cholesterol, and metabolic byproducts from the body. Poor bile flow can contribute to sluggish digestion, bloating, constipation, and toxin recirculation. Food number 4, fatty fish. Foods like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce liver inflammation and may help lower liver fat accumulation. Many people today consume excessive inflammatory omega-6 oils from fried foods, fast food, processed snacks, and restaurant oils. This imbalance promotes chronic inflammation. Omega-3 fats help counteract that inflammatory environment. Food number 5, berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants called polyphenols. These compounds help protect liver cells from oxidative stress. Berries also support gut health because of their fiber content, and this is extremely important because your gut and liver are deeply connected. Your gut and liver communicate constantly through something called the gut-liver axis. When gut health becomes compromised from processed foods, excessive sugar, alcohol, antibiotics, or chronic stress, harmful compounds and bacterial toxins can leak into circulation and reach the liver. This increases inflammation. Poor gut health can contribute to fatty liver, bloating, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation. This is why fiber-rich foods matter so much. Healthy gut bacteria help produce beneficial compounds that reduce inflammation and support metabolic health, which brings us to the next food. Food number 6, avocados. Avocados contain fiber, potassium, healthy monounsaturated fats, and antioxidants. They help support stable blood sugar and reduce inflammatory stress on the liver. They also contain compounds associated with glutathione support. Unlike processed vegetable oils, the fats in avocados are generally supportive of metabolic health when consumed appropriately. Food number 7, olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the most studied anti-inflammatory foods in the world. It contains beneficial compounds called polyphenols that help combat oxidative stress. Research has shown olive oil may help improve liver enzyme markers and reduce fat accumulation when used in place of highly processed oils. However, quality matters. Real extra virgin olive oil is very different from heavily refined industrial seed oils commonly used in processed foods. Now let's talk about the foods damaging the liver every day. Some of the biggest contributors include sugary beverages, excessive alcohol, ultra-processed foods, refined carbohydrates, fried foods, and high fructose corn syrup. Many people assume fatty liver only happens from alcohol. That's no longer true. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is exploding worldwide due to poor diet and metabolic dysfunction. Constant spikes in blood sugar and insulin encourage fat storage inside the liver. And when inflammation stays elevated long-term, the liver struggles to regenerate effectively. Your daily food choices either move your body toward inflammation or regeneration. There is no neutral direction. Every meal sends signals to your body. Certain foods promote oxidative stress, inflammation, insulin resistance, and fat accumulation. Other foods support cellular repair, antioxidant defenses, hormone balance, gut health, and detoxification. Your liver is incredibly resilient. However, resilience has limits. You cannot constantly overload the body with processed food, excessive sugar, alcohol, sleep deprivation, or chronic stress and then expect optimal health. Healing starts with consistency. Small daily decisions repeated over time create massive biological changes, and often, the simplest foods are the most powerful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button so more people can learn how to support their health naturally, and subscribe for more useful, informative, and uplifting content focused on health, wellness, nutrition, self-improvement, and living your best life naturally. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.